Let's explore the Mockup generator and discover its powerful features. To begin, locate the designer option in the left menu and click on it. This will open up a range of exciting possibilities for your designs. Next, select Change Product to access an extensive collection of highly converting mockups. Our team continually adds new mockups on a monthly basis, ensuring that you always have fresh options to choose from. Browse through the available mockups and select the one that best complements your product. Moreover, you have the flexibility to dynamically adjust the mockup's color to align it with your design aesthetics. This customization feature adds an extra layer of personalization to your creative process. Now let's proceed to the image uploading functionality. Click on Images and effortlessly upload the design you wish to utilize. Once uploaded, you have the freedom to fine-tune and modify the placement of the design according to your specific requirements. When you are satisfied with the design and its placement, it's time to download the final result. Simply locate the Download option in the top menu. Specify the desired dimensions, typically set at 2500 by 2500 pixels, to ensure optimal quality for your output. Finally, ensure that you enable the Include Background option to incorporate the appropriate background in your downloaded file. Pix Designer empowers you to effortlessly enhance your designs and visualize them within realistic model mockups. We hope this tutorial has provided you with valuable insights into the functionalities of our platform.